Hi everyone in Cyber World, welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Richard, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
This week's video is the woodworking build-off, and this is our entry.
And to explain the animals that we selected, we originally went with a butterfly. This was simple reason is because our daughter, when she was tiny, met her great-granddad for the first time. He didn't hesitate, he called her Butterfly. The nickname stuck with her, and so we decided to go with the butterfly. However, very recently, we had a new addition to the family, our granddaughter. Her name is Hannah. But in Japanese, Hana sounds a lot like hana, which is actually the word for flower. So we incorporated the butterfly and the flower.
Part of the competition rules were to say I had to make my own origami. So let's go ahead and see what I made.
And now let's take a look at how we made the displays itself.
This whole project was made from scraps, so we started making boards.
We decided if we were going to display a Japanese origami, then we had to make something with bamboo for a perfect match.
We may not have the skills of the other YouTubers, but we will definitely use our creativeness.
Here I started to use my lumberjack skills to chop up the bamboo.
We then had to clean out the bamboo stick.
Nothing better than a bucket to use to make an arc. And now to use my famous jigsaw skills.
Here we are gluing the sticks onto the bridge.
Instead of using string, I kinda cheated and used cable ties, but I assure you this process wasn't as easy as it looks.
We now needed to make a mold. First, we're adding sand, and we'll explain why later. We're going to use our favorite epoxy and pour it on the sand.
I used my Dremel to make rake marks for the garden. Now it's time to assemble all the pieces together. And here is our completed project. We added a little special touch with LED lights.
We hope you enjoyed this video, and please remember to subscribe below. Next week's video, we're going to show you how to prepare the walls, texture, and paint. So until then,
Bye-bye.